new Global 5500 jet, and its longer-range sibling Global 6500, took the title of Best Courtesy of Bombardier. Traditionally, the private jet industry hasn't been exactly brimming with third-party awards programs. But the editors of Aviation International News, one of the industry's most respected trade publications, recently inaugurated its first Top Flight Awards, recognized outstanding business aircraft, aviation developments and trends for the year. Nominees in several categories were announced in December, and now the winners are taking a victory lap. As a trade journal, AIN certainly focused on technical development and performance achievements for the winners, but these highlighted aircraft also carry a great deal to crow about for those riding behind the cockpit. Canadian airframer Bombardier's Global 5500 and 6500 jet program won the Best New Jet title in this inaugural year, praised the pair's next-generation wing design and new engines that boost fuel efficiency, as well as its upgraded avionics. But passengers might be more likely to celebrate a new cabin management system that can distribute HD and 4K video content throughout the cabin and enhanced satellite connectivity in flight that turns both of these aircraft into luxurious flying boardrooms. State-of-the-art productivity is fine, but nothing beats comfort. Both Bombardiers feature Nuage passenger seating throughout. The seats were initially developed for the Bombardier Global 7500 flagship, but they represent the first truly new passenger comfort architecture in business aviation in 3 decades. Inspired by the latest residential seating, ergonomic Nuage seats feature a tilt-link system for deep reclining, a floating base in space instead of tracks, so the seat moves naturally when you move, and a tilting headrest to boot. Additional fully reclining Nuage chaises are also included in typical cabin layouts for both jets. Price: Global 5500 jet, start at $46 million, and Global 6500 jet, start at $56 million. Speed: 0.90 Mach, 690 miles per hour, maximum, 0.85 Mach, 652 miles per hour, typical for both. Passengers, up to 16, 5500, up to 17, 6500.